Okay, what we're doing on this one is we are looking at manipulating equations. These are all equations that get used, again, in real-world situations. Okay, A equals length times width. Oh, we're just calculating the area of a rectangle, or square, if it's a special rectangle. 2 pi RH for h, okay? But what we're doing is we're finding out what a particular side is, okay? So, okay, I equals PRT for R. So I equals PRT, and we want to solve for R. How do we get R by itself? We could divide both sides by PT, right? Can we do that? Absolutely, that's all we do. So now, excuse us, now we have R equals, because this is P over P, which is 1. This is T over T, which is 1. Now R equals I over PT. R equals I over PT, and U would be your answer. That's all we're doing. We're manipulating equations, moving things around, and solving for the letter they want. Look at F. F equals 9/5 C plus 32. That's how you calculate for centigrade. Fahrenheit equals 9/5 C plus 32. Obviously, you're going to use that in science class, right? Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm just going to pull out my application that changes from Fahrenheit to centigrade. But let's do this. So Fahrenheit equals 9/5, C plus 32. And we want to calculate for C. What are we going to do first? We want to isolate the variable. So first we'll isolate the variable expression by, let's add negative 32 to both sides. How's that? Because we know we want C on one side. So now we have 9/5 C equals F minus 32. We good so far? Okay, now we want C by itself. So how do we do it when we have a fraction? We flip the card. And what do we do when we flip the card? We're going to multiply by 5/9. So this is going to get multiplied by 5/9. So now we have C, our goal. We wanted C by itself, equals 5F. That's F, minus something over 9. What's 32 times 5? 15, 16. Minus 160? Oh, but they left it here. 5/9. Oh, we went further, but here it is. R. C equals 5/9 times F minus 32. There it is. Does that make sense? So all we're doing is manipulating equations. There's 18 left. Is there one more you want? One more that looks ugly? I bet it's 8, 12, or 16. Which one? How about like 12? 12? Is that one that looks ugly for you?
Yeah.
12? Okay. Can you stop talking though? Thank you. 12. E equals 1/2 mv squared. And they want us to calculate for v squared. Okay? So let's get rid of m first. Okay? So let's divide both sides by m. So we get E over m equals 1/2 v squared. What are we going to do? We're going to flip the card, right? And multiply both sides by 2 over 1. Good. 2 over 1. So 2e over m, we don't have to write the 1, equals v squared. 2e over m equals v squared. There you go. Is that as hard as it looked? It looked really scary, didn't it?
Yeah.
Is it that bad?
Not really.
Just one step at a time. Remember, share the wealth around your table group.